Now the next most repeated question ಬಂದು ಇದು ಸರ್ ಇದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. If I go to this drop down, what is the least number that you are able to see, sir?
8.
8. Okay. What is the maximum number that you are able to see here, sir?
72.
72. Maximum size from drop down. ಎಷ್ಟು sir? That you can select from a drop down.
72, sir.
72, sir.
72. Super. Minimum size available. I'm not saying down. Minimum
One.
size
One,
available.
sir.
ಎಷ್ಟು sir?
One. One,
One,
sir.
sir. Now this thing is coming in red ink. ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು ಸರ್? ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್, ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್, ಏನು ಸರ್ ಅದು?
Spelling mistake.
Spelling mistake, sir.
Spelling mistake. Is it clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
How many views are available in view tab?
3, sir.
3.
3, sir. 3, sir.
3. Super, sir. How many orientations are available in the page orientation?
2.
2.
2, sir.
2, sir. Landscape and
2. Super, sir. Done. So now this completes my entire thing with respect to help, view, insert, design, draw, everything. Is it clear, sir?
Yes, sir.